Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Tether from Trust Wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT safely and efficiently, you're in the right place. With the crypto world evolving fast, we'll cover the latest steps to make this process seamless. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and an Uphold account set up. You'll need some Tether in your Trust Wallet and the exact wallet address from Uphold. This is crucial to avoid any mix-ups in 2025's advanced blockchain networks. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device or browser. Navigate to the Tether, USDT section in your wallet. Trust Wallet has gotten even more user-friendly by 2025, with enhanced security features like biometric verification. Step 2. Tap on the Send button for your USDT. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Uphold account. Log in if you haven't already, and copy the USDT deposit address. Pro tip: double-check that it's the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, as mismatches can lead to lost funds. Step 3. Paste the address into Trust Wallet and enter the amount of Tether you want to send. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved scaling solutions, but always confirm. Hit Next and verify all details on the confirmation screen. Step 4. Confirm the transaction with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once sent, track the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer. It should arrive in your Uphold wallet within minutes, depending on network congestion. A few quick tips. Always use a secure internet connection. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you send Tether from Trust Wallet to Uphold in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it keeps your assets moving smoothly. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.